concentrate your forces. Focus your energies on the strongest point that is available to you. Don't spread your effort, your energy, or focus on multiple endeavors. In war, as in any other endeavor, whether it be business or in life, focus on the one thing that will make all the difference. The great martial artist Bruce Lee, he said, a great warrior is an average man with laser-like focus. Now, here's the difference between laser and a blowtorch. They have almost the same amount of power, but a laser beam, because it is so sharp and so focused, it can cut through 6 inches of steel, while a blowtorch, because it's spreading its energy all over, will just end up heating the metal up to a higher temperature. So you have to be very careful. You have to concentrate your forces on the thing that will move the dial for you. In the book Good Strategy, Bad Strategy, Richard Rummel talks about the idea that the essence of strategy is to focus all your power on the point of highest leverage. And in the book On War, Carl von Clausewitz, he said, there is no higher and simpler law of strategy than that of keeping one's forces concentrated. In short, the first principle is act with utmost concentration. So we have to be very careful. We have to be very focused no matter what endeavor we pick in our life. We have to concentrate our forces.